Hybrid cars were once seen as the perfect bridge between gas-powered vehicles and fully electric cars. But in 2025, avoiding hybrids might be one of the smartest decisions you can make. Here is why. Reason 1. Hybrid technology is becoming outdated. Automakers are focusing on developing advanced EVs rather than improving hybrid systems. This means fewer updates, diminishing support and declining market. Why invest in tech that's being left behind? Reason 2. Maintenance issues. Hybrids combine both an internal combustion engine and an electric powertrain. While this sounds efficient, it doubles potential maintenance problems. Battery management systems, regenerative braking repairs, and engine servicing can all add up. Additionally, parts for older hybrid models are becoming harder to find, making repairs more expensive, and so on. Reason 3. Incentives and restrictions. Governments are shifting incentives toward fully electric vehicles. Many regions offer EV buyers tax breaks, rebates, and perks like carpool lane access benefits. Hybrids often miss out. Some cities are also imposing stricter emissions rules that hybrids may no longer qualify for. Reason 4. Declining resale value. As EVs improve and charging infrastructure expands, demand for hybrid is shrinking. Buying a hybrid today could mean owning a car that rapidly loses value. Reason 5. Environmental impact. While hybrids were once considered eco-friendly, they no longer measure up. Modern EVs offer better range, faster charging, and zero emissions, making hybrids an unnecessary stepping stone rather than a long-term solution. Reason 6. Cost factor. Hybrids are no longer the budget-friendly choice they once were. With EV battery price dropping and charging stations becoming widespread, the cost advantage of hybrids is vanishing. EVs now offer lower running costs, fewer repairs, and better longevity. Reason 7. Charging infrastructure advancements. In 2025, EV charging stations are more accessible and faster than ever. High-speed chargers can add hundreds of miles in just minutes, making EVs more convenient than hybrids, which still require frequent gas station visits. Reason 8. Battery durability improvements. Modern EV batteries last longer than hybrid systems, with warranties covering performance for over 8 to 10 years. Meanwhile, hybrid battery replacements remain expensive and often have less warranty coverage. Reason 9. EV exclusive technology. Automakers are packing their latest tech into electric cars, leaving hybrids behind. Advanced autonomous driving, improved infotainment systems, and cutting-edge safety features are increasingly EV exclusives. Reason 10. Industry trends and feature support. With major automakers phasing out gas engines, hybrids are being sidelined. Buying one today means facing limiting service options, fewer updates, and declining aftermarket support in the near future. In conclusion, if you are buying a car in 2025, steer clear of hybrids. Outdated technology, mounting costs, and declining market make them a poor investment. Fully electric vehicles are the smarter, cleaner, and more cost-effective choice. Don't get stuck in the past. Go electric and drive into the future. I know. Not everyone loves EVs, but let's be real. They are far better than hybrids. Just to give you an idea, a hybrid gearbox costs around 10 to 15,000 euro, and they are notoriously unreliable, often failing before even covering the warranty period. I hope that helps open your eyes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time. Peace.